I have no idea what to say in this promo, but I made a cool asset that can be very helpful to all of you. Welcome back to another NetHero tutorial. To add the asset to our project, open the Unity project, go to the asset page in the asset store, link in the description below. Click open in Unity and open in Unity editor. In the package manager window, click on download and then install. Make sure everything is selected and press import. For this example, we'll create an empty game object and call it menus. Place it above all the other menus in our scene. Add component and add the pretty object component. Now we can change its properties. First of all, we'll change the color. Let's change it to red. Just be aware that the color doesn't change when the object is selected, only when you unselect the object. Let's try to change this text style. We can change the font. I'm using TextMesh Pro fonts right now. You can use any other font you like. We can change the text color, and again, only works when you go out of the object and back in. You can change the font size. Let's change it to 15, and we can see the font size changing. We can change it from normal to bold and italic. Let's use middle center to place our text where it's easy to see. We can drop shadow. We normally don't want to. And when we go out, it's easy to spot with the name and everything. If we want to reset the text, we can just press on reset colors to go back to the default colors. The default font is 12 and it will be reset to this. Just reset the font to null and everything is back. Thanks to one of the feedbacks I got about this asset, I know that when you go back and go in, it always collapses and it's kind of annoying for some people. I mostly use the color property, so it doesn't really matter for me, but if it annoys you, you can just go to the component menu, click on edit editor window, and here on the second line, just comment the defined foldout, and when you go back in, it will change. You will have the line instead of the foldout, and it will be easier for you to use. For more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!